Hello, hi. Hello everyone. My name is Suraj and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I will teach you how to transfer files from your Mega account to your Google Drive account. Okay. So, I have also posted a video long back about how to transfer files from one shared drive to another shared drive. If you want to see that, you can check that. Link will be in the description, or else I will show you somewhere here or there. Okay. So, let us get started. So coming to my screen, open your favorite browser. I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. Now simply type Google Colab. Okay. Here, click on the first link. And okay. Now we are going to need a script. Okay. So for the script, you need to go to my GitHub channel, github.com/surajbahadur591/Google Colab scripts. Okay, the link will be in the description, so don't need to worry. Now here you will find 3 scripts. Okay, so I will make a video on each script. For this video we are going to use this Mega to Google Drive transfer script. Okay, so you're simply going to download it. Okay, now before going to download, hit this start button. Okay, you need to extract it. Okay, now after extracting, go to your Google Colab. Now cancel this. Okay, and go to file and upload notebook. Okay, now choose your file. I have saved my file in desktop, so this is Google Colab scripts, and we are going to use this Mega to Google Drive transfer. Okay, hit open. Now it will take some time to load. Okay, now here we are going to do 2 things. Okay, first we are going to connect it to the hosted runtime. If you connect to your local runtime, it will be slow, so we are going to use this connect to runtime so we can transfer the files quickly. Okay, let it connect, wait for some time. Okay, now it is connected. Now we are going to give permission to this Google Colab to access our Google Drive. Okay, so hit this drop down and click on mount. Okay, and wait for it to connect. Now click on this link and go to your account and give permission, and then copy this key and paste it in this. Okay, now our drive is mounted. Okay, now we are going to provide it the Mega link. Okay, the Mega link, and where we are going to paste it. Okay, so I will go to my Mega account and in my Mega account there is this one course about aptitude. I'm going to manage link and copy the link. Okay, I will paste the link here. Now where I need to copy it, I mean transfer it, so we are going to browse the path. So simply click this icon, and here you will see this icon, refresh it, go to drive, and here you can find 2 things, my drive and share drive. You can transfer it to your drive, or else if you have a shared drive, you can transfer it to that. Okay, so I have 2 shared drives here. I'm going to paste it in the second drive. Okay, now let us see what is there inside this. So I'm going to my Google Drive and shared drive, and this is my shared drive too. So you can see that it is empty. Okay, now I'm going to transfer it to this drive. Okay, now go to this Colab and copy the path and paste it here. Now before you run it, there is one thing I want to tell you, that if you connect your Mega account, there will be no limit. Okay, now if you directly run this, it will say that after 5 GB or something the limit has reached or something like that. An error will come, so we need to avoid that. So we are going to input our Mega details here. Okay, so my Mega details is, now enter the password of your Mega. Simply click this. Okay. Now it will take some time to install Mega on the Google Colab. Okay, so let it get installed. Wait for some time. Until then, enjoy the music. You can see that Mega is getting installed and your account is also going to get logged in. Now your account is also logged in. Okay, now you have given the Mega link and also the output path. Okay, and now hit this run button. Now it will take some time to fetch the details like folder, how many folders are there. After 1 or 2 minutes your script will start transferring the files. Okay, you can see that it is getting uploaded or transferred quickly. Okay, so wait, let it transfer it and I will be back after the transfer is completed. Okay, until the transfer is complete, you can also follow me on my GitHub. Okay, you can follow me and you can star my repositories. Okay, and if you want, you can also go to my YouTube channel and hit subscribe button. Okay, so one more thing guys, if you want to transfer to your drive, not shared drive, you can simply copy the path here and you can paste the path here. Okay, so remove this shared drive and you can paste this path. Okay, so now you can see that the transfer is completed. So it took me about 5 minutes or something to transfer 7 GB file. Okay, so some people will have doubts that I'm not able to transfer more than 5 GB file or something like that. So to transfer more than 5 GB file, you should not use others Mega link. Okay, so before that you need to import the link from others Mega link and import to your Mega account. Okay, after that, after the link is imported to your drive, copy that link and use that link to transfer. Okay, so in this way you can transfer the files from Mega to Google Drive without any limit. Okay, so if you like my video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I will be going to post another video on the same topic, like how we are going to transfer from Google Drive to Mega account. Okay, so you will not find this video anywhere, so wait for me to upload it. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye, take care.